What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in case you're new here, feel welcome and remember to subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So I'm going to mix my dry ingredients, and in my today's video I'm only going to make simple mandazis. I'm going to use only 2 ingredients, and this is sugar and baking powder. I'm going to put 3 spoons of baking powder. You can use salt, but it's optional. So I'm going to mix it well together. Then I'm going to add my water. I'm looking for a very soft dough. If your dough is still sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. My dough is ready. At this point, I'm not going to add any flour. It's okay, I'm okay with it this way. I'll add a little bit of oil. Then I'll continue to knead it to get a perfect dough. The secret to soft mandazis is how you make your dough. My dough is ready, so I'm going to cover it in aluminium foil and let it rest for 30 minutes. You can cover it also in a kitchen towel. The more it rests, the better. My dough is ready. So I'm going to dust my surface and then spread my dough. I'll then cut it into halves. Make sure you fold all your doughs like this before you roll them. So I'm going to roll my dough. I'm not going to roll it too thin. I want my mandazis a little bit thick. This is how I want my mandazis to look. So I'm going to cut them into pieces. You can cut them into whatever shape you want. If you want triangular or a rectangular shape, it's okay. So I'm letting my oil heat. Then I'm going to put a dough just to know if my oil is hot enough. And that means my oil is hot enough, so I'm going to go in with my mandazis. One more important thing is when cooking your mandazi, avoid using high heat. High heat makes your mandazis hard, and also they burn outside and they don't cook well inside. So I recommend you to use medium heat when cooking your mandazis. Once they are done cooking, you can remove them. You can remove them and put them on a kitchen towel. So you can see how brown they look. This is the color I want. So you can remove them and put them on a kitchen towel to drain excess oil as you continue with your other pieces of mandazis. Keep turning your mandazis immediately you put them on the oil. I'm going to tell you why you should keep on turning your mandazis immediately you put them on oil. So these are done. These are also done. So I'm also going to try and make another shape. I'm going to make a triangular shape, and these mandazis are a bit bigger than the other ones, like the ones they cook in most places. And the reason why I keep telling you to turn your mandazis immediately you put them on oil is to avoid this. I want keep turning them to avoid what I've shown you. Once your mandazis are brown enough, take them out of the oil and keep cooking the rest. Anyway guys, our mandazis are ready. I tell you, they taste so yummy and so nice. You can enjoy them with a cup of tea, milk or coffee. And remember, if you try this recipe, don't forget to tell me how they came out in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my video, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more of my amazing content.